There's a short video on what is behind with the math. So say for instance you have like 586 divided by 1255 and you have this decimal and you want to know if it's a fraction. So you're going to go to the math and you're going to hit the very first one. You'll notice this fraction, so just hit enter and then hit it again, and there you go. Apparently it doesn't reduce. The other thing you can do with math is going down here, you'll notice you have the cube root of something. So say I want the cube root of 8 and I don't know exactly what it is. Enter it and there you go. Now if it is a higher, so it would be like to the cube root or the fifth root, you would want to then hit 5, go down to number 5, and then hit like 225, we'll try that, and go there and you'll get the decimal or the whole number that it would be. The other thing with the math is what we call the log base, which is right there. This is really in handy, so sometimes ACT likes to put in some hard stuff, so I could put like 5 to the 25 and I want to know what the log is, and it's not necessarily a log to the 10. The other thing that ACT has been putting in for the log base is this right here. Maybe they'll put in 5, but they'll put up a power. I want to make sure you realize that this little caret right here is the power. You notice that it moves it up. So say for instance it's 13 divided by 2 in the power, and then I hit enter, and that would help you get your answer. So remember that this is the little caret button to give me power. So for instance, if I needed something like 8 to the power of 9, you notice it brings it up, and then if I need to square it, this is what I will use. So if I need to square 5. Now, if I need to do a negative power, there's the -1 I could use, which just basically puts it as a 1 over 7. Or if I needed a higher negative power, I would just hit the 5 to the power of -3. Make sure you use this, not minus, otherwise it'll give you an error. And there's my answer. And that's all we needed to know for the first column here.